Hey, what's up guys? So I have a new product here. It's basically the screen protector for a Galaxy Watch 3. So I did buy a couple of them and I have a little issue that the screen comes a bit small. You can see here. Okay, so I use this one temporary just so I won't mess up my screen on my watch. So basically I have this one right here, Spot Guard. Comes in a nice little package like this. Show you how to use. Okay, so let's get it open. Show you exactly what it comes with. Okay, so you get 3 screen protectors, and before I even use them, I check if they fit, and it is perfect. Okay, you get your 3 dry and wet wipes, and this dust absorbers. I do use them, they're awesome. Okay, so let's take this old one off that is way smaller, and let's clean it up. Okay, usually I do the alcohol pad. Okay, it's all wet now. And I grab the dry and I dry it up. I make sure I use all the accessories basically that comes with it. Okay, once it's clean, I grab your absorber and we'll pass it all around the screen. Make sure you get all the dust off. Okay, just make sure all the dust is off. So now you grab your screen protector. You can see, take this off and that will be your sticky side, and this is your front. Pass it one more time. Okay, take the and line it up. Okay, so just make sure there's no dust under it and you're good to go. Fits very nice, no issues at all, works perfectly fine. Love it. Way better than the one I had. Awesome.